guys sime apha ke ne fan ye Chiefs sikhalela nje uva into bana uGotmani uva kanjani njengoba ngoku isandoba ihalf time and sengu2-0 Gotmani uGrand Razo
Moja kanjani
hayi ndishap nami Gotmani yami uziva kanjani njengoba ngoku iChiefs seyenze kanje kodwa ixesha lisencinci kangaka
hayi nonke khuleka sizabuya
I don't think he will come back again.
Gotmani
phela umoya ngabe yamkhuleka
okay xa ujongile kulama goals ubuhalelo mhlawumbe bangekwenzeke njani mhlawumbe imistake enziwe iChiefs kule 2 goals enzekile
no ndefama yadla bakusho ingcobo
ukuthi ingcobo Gotmani
uqisile ungcobo slow kakhulu
ingcobo nganami
slow funa khona bona ne game time yakhe vele akakhishwa vele
ufaka usirini
kungcobo lunengxaki
yeah
God have mercy upon us.
hayi makenze kanjalo
ngekule mode mina ngekule mode
kwerekwere kungena umuntu babaze noPitso sifuna uPitso okanye uRolani ayiliphume lamakwerekwere la okanye babize uRolani okanye babize uBhenny
ayikona
uPeterson
Ndiyabulela Gotmani
ubavum ndiyagcina kujala kwawe
ndiyabona into kokubana ke iChiefs i-defense zeKaizer Chiefs nomsindo kakhulu yabacaphukisa lento we're gonna be back again after a second half
win got 3-0 wonke hayi basikheliyesa Pirates ngibudlungu
Yela. Huh?
Athuna sibuyile hapa nezifenze Kaizer Chiefs siziva njani usiva siswami
Yo, ndifile ndibhlungu guys ndigqibile ba izaba ngu-1-0 it was 1-0 but ngoku ndiphume ezitoilet ndikhala ndibhlungu I was screaming etoilet ndilina
asocinga intone enalungiswa iChiefs ngoigame elandelayo mhlawumbe
ndicela iKaizer Chiefs guys ndicela ilungise i-defenders first because into eyenzekile the first time i-defenders zibe za-weak then after zi-week ndabona uba hayi guys the first time asisolenza ixesha first time Khosi for life forever no matter what never
apha ndime neteam enkulu currently usiva njani futam
mina ngijabule kakhulu ngiyaxolisa ukuthi angikwazi ukukhuluma isiXhosa kahle but then ngizozama ngijabule kakhulu mina ukuba ngila namhlanje team yami iwinile
did you see this coming okanye ubumince to the point abana there's nothing that could happen right now enzekayo Pirates
mina ngibonile ukuthi sowina vele cause that's why ngigqoke neskipa sami azange ibe nama doubts from endlini ngihamba ngesipalini ngisigqokile ngazi ukuthi sowina it's a walk through
all right come on can you just move your favorite dance move to show ba winile favorite dance move
mina ngimove kakhulu so ngisazi not yiphi favorite
move us forward